Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're here at the former Friendly's building at the corner of Loader Avenue and Main Street in Endicott. This building is being demolished. Sort of sad to see it go. I have a lot of childhood memories here of coming here for ice cream after social events in middle school. And right across the street is also the former Pizza Hut building. Seems to be abandoned these days. I know they closed a while ago. So let's take a walk around the former Friendly's building and get one last look at it before it's completely demolished. It's being turned into a gas station, a rather well-known gas station, especially if you're from the Syracuse area. It's going to be a Briar Dairy. I think I'm saying that right. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to watch the demolition and the construction. So make sure you click subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up so that you don't miss future updates on the progress. There's the former Friendly sign there. You can still kind of make out the wording on it. Here's the old entrance to the building.